Hi, I'm Jean Panikiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 11 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for iOS user guide series. In this video, we'll talk about our calendar feature in Sub Rosa and the many options available there. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. To access your calendar within Sub Rosa, you will first need to open the OWA viewer. At the bottom of the folders list are a number of features including the calendar. When you first open the calendar, the left side panel is exposed to show you the different views available and your calendars. To dismiss the side panel, tap the hamburger menu or swipe the panel divider to the left. The default view that is opened is the month view. If you change views between sessions, the last view you used will be the one that is displayed. To create an event, tap the plus in the top right corner of the app, or long press the day or time of when you'd like the event. The Add Calendar event window has the same fields you would find in most calendar apps. When you are adding an attendee, Sub Rosa will query the GAL for the user's email address and display it for you to select. Once you have finished creating the event, tap Save. Any attendees will be emailed with the option to accept, decline, or tentatively attend the event. You can edit any calendar items you are the creator of by going to the day of the event, tapping on the event you wish to modify, then tap the edit icon in the corner. Once you have made your changes, tap Save or Send in the upper right corner. Emails that contain an event sent from OWA or Outlook contain buttons which allow the user to accept, decline, or mark that they may attend the meeting. Accepting an event in your email will add it automatically to your calendar. To create a new calendar, swipe open the side panel, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the panel, tap the plus, name your calendar, then tap the box next to the name to place a check in it. Calendars with a check will be displayed. Hidden calendars do not have a check. To delete calendars, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the side panel, then tap the red circle to the left of the calendar you wish to delete. Tap Done when you are finished editing. When viewing your calendar, you can quickly switch between viewing styles by tapping on the name of the view in the bottom center of your screen. To progress to a different time frame, simply swipe to the left to go forward and to the right to go backward. In Day or Schedule view, you can also tap on the date in the top left corner to choose from a calendar. You can quickly return to the current date at any time by tapping on the calendar icon in the top right corner. To leave your calendar, you can either tap the globe to return to browsing or the envelope to return to email. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. The next video will be the final video in our series. In that video, we will review troubleshooting tips and discuss ways of getting further support. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.